One of the scariest things when you're considering a second home is insurance. Well, it depends on what type of property you are buying. But if you're buying a house as your second home, sometimes you can get an insurance rider on your primary to cover your house. Sometimes you can, if you're buying in a condominium, you only need what's called HO6 and liability insurance, which usually for a smaller condo is under $2,000 a year. Now, it could be more depending upon if you won't have travertine flooring you want to cover. So there are some details you have to work out with what's most important to you. But insurance is not something to be scared of when you're considering a second home, as long as you have the right professional on your side guiding you through the way. Hope these tips have helped you. I'm Kristy Bushaw. You can reach me by the link below or simply go to kristybushaw.com.